everyone, my name is Leena Vishwakarma. I work in Dubai and I recently completed my course from IIG Mumbai, which is the Diamond graduation. My experience with the team was amazing. The faculty was very supportive throughout the course. I had a limited time duration in which I had to complete the course, so they were very flexible to fit in the academics within the time. And the ambience is very positive. They were very warmthful. And I would like to thank our faculties, Anand sir, Aarti ma'am, Praveen sir, for supporting throughout the course, not being from the industry. Also, now I know a lot about the industry, about diamond industry and the market. So that was very helpful. I got some of the really great insights basically of the business, and a special thanks to Mr. Rahul Desai for making it possible and so comfortable for me so that I can do my best and learn my best. Thank you so much.